Today we're gonna play a game, and this is the game we're gonna play. There's a rabbit in my house. It's March 20. That's the right time too. You gonna get started? Yeah. Hey, who are? It's me. Yeah, I'm Danny. Yeah. No big deal. Anyway, I'm going to get things, so keep my pants on. Hold on. I'm gonna take my pants off. Alright. Thanks for waiting. Now go to Purgator and do some work for it. Alright, Italian. We have mail. Who's it from? It's the museum. The faraway museum cordially invites you to take part in its free fossil identification. We send and we'll identify them. Cool. And we're gonna throw it away. So now that we can choose them. We can say P, and we can give them that. And once you've done it 3 times, once for every the rocks, you can mail them. You can't pick more than one at a time. That's alright. Send. I would like to. How'd you know? Okay. No. And we just mailed those letters. And that means we wait till tomorrow. Since we're here anyway, we're gonna make a song. And this is here. We're gonna play it. Beautiful. That's gonna go on the Billboard's top 50 good ones. Yay! Yeah. So what else are we gonna do today? You might be asking. Oh, I'm still recording. Oh. Unfortunately, due to the nature of these things, it's not gonna, the top of the screen especially, it's gonna be a little distorted. It's all right. We're gonna live with it. Hi, it's me, Danny. It's going all right. Even if it's raining, seeing your face totally mellows me out. I'm not even kidding. You're like this kind of anti-rain funk mood lifter-upper type person. That's just thank you. Talk to me. So you can tons of fruit trees. You can pick the fruit, right? No way. If I press the A, you can't say the A button. It's real life. They're disillusioning me. You know, you can like bury a piece of fruit in the ground and it'll grow up into a fruit tree. No way. Isn't that awesome? You can have full-on fruit whenever. It's like owning an orchard. Wow. Hi, Tank. Kerpow. The rain's sort of a downer, but it's so good for the trees and flowers and grass and mushrooms. And you entertain me. Yeah, if you bury fruit, I'll sprung. What? I feel like I've heard this somewhere before. You have to get yourself a shot. No way. But yeah, I do have a shovel. I have that. Yeah. We're gonna, we got a pitfall seed, and you can use that you can bury it, and you'll fall in the hole. This tree is dead. Hi. There's something very important that I'd like you to represent Purgatoire as a member of the Happy Room Academy. I'm never happy, though. It's not very difficult. All you have to do is arrange things in your house with a little style, a little flair. On occasion, the Academy will judge your interior and you'll get the results in the mail. All I ask is that you try to boost your score as best you can. Yes, this is not so much to do. How about it? Think you can do it? Leave it to me, sir. Of course, low scores won't do much for our town's rep, and it wasn't exact. So put some thought into your design, and be sure to keep your house spiffy, clean now and then. Well, good luck. Wait a minute, how are they gonna see what the inside looks like if they're not coming inside? Ruby Ikono, do I have the money? I do. Oh! I thought that number in the top right was the amount of money I don't have, not the amount I do. Oops. There's raffle tickets. We can participate in the raffle. I'd like to buy some flowers. Yeah. Okay. Hi, I'd like to buy some flowers. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Hey. I almost didn't see it. Oops. I don't know what I dug up. I skipped through it. I don't want to dig there. We're gonna plant we planted it. We're gonna plant a flat. It'll be a funny prank. We're gonna dig. We're gonna we're gonna put the pitfall in front of Olive's house. Let's go talk to Olive. And when she walks outside, she's gonna fall into it. Hi, you're a rat. What am I doing? I didn't see you at all when I was outside today, so I figured I'd have to catch you tomorrow, sweet pea. That's some reason for coming to see me, right? Do you need anything? Living in a field of flowers would be so dreamy, sweet pea. Just imagine the smells. I wish I had more flowers around my sweet pea, but I wish a lot of things. She wants Oh. Well, let's go back and see if there's any I forget if they were sold out or not after I bought them. I don't remember the. Oh. Well, that's a shame, innit? I didn't pay attention last time. That's unfortunate. Whoa! Used paper. We got Spooky and Maple Leaf. Wow. I talked to you already. Need any help? Check this out. I lent a camera to Olive. Nicknamed Dan, because Olive's all about flaking. The thing is, I'm too busy to go get my property. So can you go get it? I'll handle it, sir. Yeah. What are you doing? Get up. Aw. Hi. It's already 7 p.m. I'm picking up. Ta-da, here it is, the camera. Take good care of it and tell Tank thanks so much for letting me borrow it. No problem, rat. Alright. Think it'll stop with the raining anytime soon? No. Delivery. Here you go. That's my camera. I'm so stoked you brought... Yeah. How about this? I just bought this outfit the other day. Whoa, free clothing? I hope it's used. Okay, what did... 9-ball shirt. I have a 9 on me. That's awesome. Here's something else that you can't do in other anim... I thought you could. Yeah. You can put... It's a secret. And you can... It's your background. Hello. Anything lost? We have 1. Any goings on? You ask about goings on. Running our BIP campaign. Bust illegal parkers. I hope you have not been involved in any sort of illegal parking activity whatsoever. I don't. We don't talk about cars on this YouTube. Yes, sir. Items, you can take anything, I think. Paper? Oh, I love paper. Yeah, that's my paper. All right. Now cool. I think. All right. And our let's write some P. Let's write some P. You know what? I am feeling a bit frisky today. I'm gonna poo. Hi, your name? Hey, it's me. I've heard enough times. I've heard it's dark when the rain. I couldn't tell it was you. It's kind of freaky. If you don't mind, try to visit more when it's bright and sunny out, huh? Yeah. So what did you need? Let me help. And this guest's coming over soon, but I don't have everything I need to cook a tasty dinner. I'm short precisely one. I don't have a fishing rod. I don't have a fishing rod. I don't have a fishing rod. Well, good luck. Oh, it's a rabbit. How are you doing, Mancho? Is that right? Good. If you work too hard, my body might just shut down completely. Down. Sure, laugh it up, Chuckles. We'll see you laughing when you get soaked and catch cold, Manchu. Yeah, so what do you want? Can I help you? What good timing. I know I already took care of that. Well, that's a shame. Manchio. Alright. And hit the rock. Oh, it's light. Oh, it hit the rock. Oh, I missed. Oh, I hit the rock, I hit the rock, I hit the rock, I hit the rock. I hit the rock. I hit the rock. Oh. I did it. Hi, wishing well. How are things? In areas where there is very little green, a feeling of despair overshadows all else. Go to Acre B1 to see what is amiss. Alright. He's telling me that my town is ugly. Whoa, what's, What? What's the, it's money! I think I've talked to everyone. Oh. Whoops. Well, talk to everyone important. Good eve, my dear. I didn't see you around this afternoon, did I? Were you curled up into a ball in your house because of the rain, my dear? Well, I don't care how bad the weather might be. I expect you to come and visit. I don't feel comfortable with that. You need anything? I would have declined if she did. Need a favor? I have the perfect job for me. You know, I want you to go. What's with Olive and stealing what? I guess that's how rats are. Child Protective Services. It's already 7 p.m. I'm coming to steal your children. Give it to me. Alright. Yeah, I got it. Okay. I took her. I got the video. Hey, you need anything? Oh yeah, killer timing. Gaston borrowed my video. I gotta give. Okay. I'll go to. Pick. Yeah. Let's just first we'll go. It's you. Hey, did you need a delivery? Here you go. Oh, hey, you got my video back. You bet your sweet bippy I did. If I'd known getting it, yeah, I'd have gotten it myself. Just the tip. Oh, I got paper. I love paper. I like it. What kind of paper? Stage show paper. It's paper. Hey, you Italian. It's you, Manchu. I'm picking up. Are you going to take the videotape back to Tank? Well then, here it is. I truly appreciate it, Manchu. Blah, blah. If you're going to do this, then it's all you, Manchu. Hey, how am I doing? You probably want something. Well, I think it's you that wants something, you daft punk. I can't believe you actually got my videotape back for me. Do you like write lots of because I got this great? Whoa! I love paper. It's paper. I love it. I like paper. Paper. It's fun. I like it. Hey, do you need anything else? Let's talk. No. I don't have a bug. I don't have that. I won't hang out with anyone who can't catch any bugs. Well, I don't have a net, so... Whoopsie. Looking for someone to do me a favor. I have this friend named Olive who's been hanging on to my organizer. I think maybe... I don't know about you, but I think Olive might be a kleptomaniac. Child Protective Services. Wow, it's already 7 p.m. Yeah. Hey, I'm picking... So you came to get the organize... How'd you know? Bob? Bob, okay. I was forced... I had no say in the matter. But take... Are you sure it's not in your... It's... Hey, Bob. So what did you need me for? I'm picking up. Sorry, this is kinda uncool, even though I knew I was just borrowing that thing, but it's, okay. I think... It's the ringleader. So it's you, monsieur. So then, monsieur, why are you here? I'm picking up. Oh, whoops. Are you going to take the organizer back to Lulu? Well then, here it is. I truly appreciate it, monsieur. Alright. Okay, that's all I have to say. Get a move on. Or you could do it. Hey. Hi. Who borrows an organizer? Why did you... Just get your... Why? I've gotten it. I wanted to thank you, so I got some furniture just for me. Whoa! That's not paper. I don't want it. Okay. Thank you. Let's decorate this place. We have an Apple TV. We have a ruby. We have drop. We can. It's apples. Okay. And what did we? Office chair. Office chair. We have 2 chairs. This is the greatest. Let's put this also. And we'll have, we'll put you, big dot, we have, wait, that's not what I wanted to do. We'll put the mini dingloid. Haha, it ding. We're gonna pay off our student loans. I would like to. I thought that was ATM. So, why? Oh, she seems different. Yeah. How much? I will give all. I paid. It's all. That's no fun. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I made you miss your soap. How will you ever bathe without soap? Here you go. Oh shoot. There we sent 5. They can only carry 5 at a time, but thankfully they have big fast flying guy. Yeah, yes, they do. He's right. He agrees with me. He said yes. They have the big fast flying guy. I'm completely debt free until tomorrow. We can tell him that he doesn't have to send the raccoon goons. Thank you. I very much appreciate you paying off your house in a... Oh, jeez. And such a you're a dynamo. I knew you'd pay it all back. Never doubted. You're quite responsible for someone your age. Is this your way of telling me your house is too small? Don't be shy. It's normal to want a bigger house. It's just anima. It's. Excuse me, sir. Here, I can easily make it bigger. Then you'll be able to fit a lot more things. More furniture comes more. That's what they tell you in the real world, I guess. Would it please? That's what I imagine. If anybody would want it into remodel, it would be me. Since we're remodeling, what color roof would you like? Yellow! I should be finished. Cool! We did it! We're done! Welcome home. I'm going to... What's the other things? Thanks for coming. Sorry, I'm not in right now, but please come in and make yourself a... No, dude, nobody says that anymore. There we go. Request processed. May I be of further assistance? So we're gonna... That one! I'd like to save. That's right. Request processed. Please enter the hat. We did it! We survived another day out in the wild. Finished already? Save and finish. That means I have to save your... Wait, what a pain... Finally, I'm done. See you later, Manchu. Well, goodbye.
Now that everyone thinks I'm asleep, I can listen to my favorite banjo-playing poodle, KK Slitter. I agree. Oh yeah. I don't have any requests. I just want to listen to you play, man. The K-Funk. Don't mind the volume bar. Ha! Woo! Oh yeah! That was great. I liked that a lot. Ha! Oh yeah. I can play it on my on my I can play that on my radio, man. I can play that on my radio, man. Oh yeah. Welcome to the K-Funk.